Hey, how you doing, guys? It's your good pal Capone here, yet again, with another Volvo video. This time I'm going to be trying to take out my engine oil pressure sensor, because I've been getting some crazy, weird, intermittent errors on my dash LCD saying that there's no oil pressure. And I've checked my oil, everything's clean, nothing's burning, oil tank's full, you know, so the only thing I can imagine that's actually wrong is the sensor. I don't know, it's crapped itself or something. So I'm gonna take it out and replace it with the new one, which I have in the box, not out here right now at the moment, but I'll get that in a bit. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do, huh? Alright, so this here, that's the new sensor. It's got a single pin connector in here, and that's the sensing unit somewhere inside there. It's just a switch, really, I think. But it comes with a washer, the unit, and yeah, so I'm gonna replace it.
You said that already!
And the first thing you're gonna want to do is unhook that wire that's plugged into the back end there. You see that kind of beige colored white-ish cream looking clip? You're gonna want to unclip that somehow. Get your hand in there and undo it. I'm at a kind of a weird angle because of the camera.
Reach me with that hand. Reach me with that hand. Reach me with that hand. You cannot.
So I can't really do it. Oh wait, maybe I can. Yeah, I just came back from a drive to KMS Tools to get myself a 22mm socket, because that's the only thing that'll fit on here. I tried getting at it with a wrench and some other tools, but couldn't get a good grip on it. So I had to get a 22mm socket from KMS, so I'm going to slap that on here. But anyway, because of that drive, now my engine's pretty pretty toasty. So if I burn my wrist, you'll know why. Ow, fuck. Oh, that's hot, that's hot, that's hot, that's hot. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. No, 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 no. Oh, you cheeky son of a...
A few inches later.
Oh, that's hot. Oh, there we go. Got it. Ooh. Ow. Okay. So, I got it. So now it's sitting free. Come on. There we go. So yeah, there's no connector on the back here now. So, take that 22. Ow. That nice, brand new, shiny 22mm socket. I'll see about, oh, that is hot. See about slapping it on there. Never mind. I'll be right back. Okay, so it turns out that the 22mm didn't fit on that old one, because I took the measurement reference from the replacement part.
3:28 a.m.
So I went to fucking KMS Tools to get this 22mm socket to fit this new sensor, and it fits. But that stupid motherfucker down there is a 25. And the old one, I think, is a 25mm. And just like I didn't have the 22, I don't have the 25. So I had to go back in there with this wrench, pliers, whatever you want to call them. The name, what they're called, it slips my mind right now. But in Polish, we We literally call them żabki, and that, like, it translates to frogs. Literally. Fucking frogs. But, yeah, I got these hooked on there. So, let's give it a... Oh, hey, that popped out really easy. Holy shit.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Okay, jeez. Well, let's get that out of there. Yeah, unscrew it and pull them out. Holy shit. Wow. So it just dawned on me that the engine's still hot, like I was saying earlier, and I don't know what I'm thinking, but it's a good thing I didn't unscrew that just yet, because there's probably a bit of pressure in the oil pan, and if I unscrew that, then I might get some oil flowing out of here and probably on my face, and hot oil burns, so you don't want to get that shit on your face. So I'm gonna give my car like an hour or two to cool down, and then I'll get back to this. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, huh? Hang tight. Okay, so I gave the car about an hour to cool down. So now it's time to get that old sensor out of there. And hopefully it comes out pretty easy. Seems to be a little bit stiff, but I think we should be able to get it. Hopefully I don't get any oil falling down on me. The guys online said I shouldn't, so oh shit. Oh, that's not good. Okay. That is not promising. Shit.
Later.
Okay, so I got the sensor out of there, and it really wasn't that bad. Here's the old one. Here's what it looks like. It's a little dirty, a little grimy. The old washer is still in there somewhere. Well, it's still in there, so I'm gonna have to get that out. And my camera, my phone is actually at 20% battery, so I'm gonna see if I can get that washer out, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I couldn't seem to get the old one out, but that's okay. I took a look at it from a different angle, and it looks to be in good condition, so it's gonna stay in there. And right now, I'm just gonna screw this right back on as best I can. Okay, just finger tighten it, and the rest, you know, I don't think I can actually get that 22 on there like I wanted. Actually, no, I don't think I can. Not properly anyway. But that's no biggie, because we got these. And we're gonna see what we can do. Okay, yeah, nice and snug. I think I'll give it one more crank. There we go. Okay, that's good. Okay, so the sensor's in there now. See, doesn't wiggle around. Nice and tight, nice and snug. So now you gotta find your connector. There it is. And just slap it right back on there. And that's it. Yeah, seems a little loose. Yeah, it should be okay though. I think. Yeah, that'll be okay. Alright, and that job's done now, so bada bing, bada boom. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and you know, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. Just don't downvote it, or I'll send Vinny after you. And you know, let me tell you, Vinny's a real tough cookie. He knows a few things that even I don't, so be careful. Anyway, that's enough of me jabbering on. Hope you guys have a good one. Take it easy.